G'day, I'm Kath Molloy and welcome to Mad for Mondays, where we get to find out what other people are doing to make a difference in the world. And I'm very lucky here. I'm at a speaking event and we have our guest all the way from India who's going to let you know about himself and what he does.
Hi, thanks, Kat. I met Kat a couple of days back. Amazing trainer and speaker for everything that I wanted to learn at this conference. And what I do to make a difference is that I play the role of the Chief Happiness Officer and founder of Human Circle. It's a movement that we are building called #DoWhatYouLove. And we have connected with over 1 million people already, and thousands of people have attended events like Young India Challenge and #DoWhatYouLove masterclasses. The 10th edition is happening this year of Young India Challenge, and of course, Kath is going to join us now, and that's with great delight I can announce that. And yeah, that's what I do, and I think there are more people out there who need to believe in themselves, become more self-aware. And as I say, do what you love should lead to mastery, and you have to stay committed to it. So one is do what you love, two is gain mastery over it, gain credibility over it, and get the world to value it and pay for it. So that's my message.
Wow, I love that you added at the end, get the world to value it and pay for it, because it's so important.
Yeah.
Follow your passions, create mastery in that industry, get paid for it, and then make a difference. I always think the more that we can make, the more that we can share.
Yeah.
So thank you so much. I'll
Thanks.
see you in October
Yeah.
in India,
Yeah.
in New Delhi.
Yes.
Speak to you soon.